Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about creating consent automatically. You will need to create a consent record for contacts for the following scenarios. When explicit consent obtained via the website, email, or mobile handset is captured at the object record level. When explicit consent is obtained via contract or paper forms. We recommend that you use a process builder and create the consent record automatically when the record is created or edited. Write a process builder as given in the following section on record creation and create a consent record. Please note, when records are created via non-mobile handsets such as web forms, one needs to get the opt-in via a mobile handset. This process of confirming consent via mobile handset by contact created by web forms is called a double opt-in. If you need to capture the consent on a continuous basis and whenever the records are created or edited, we recommend the same process of configuring the process builder. You must use the comment fields when creating a consent record so that the audit process can confirm the source of the consent. You must have a confirmation message configuration created in double opt-in settings before you start configuring the process builder for automatically creating consent records. Configuring the process builder. Under Setup, click on the process builder and then click on the New button. Fill in these fields: the process name, the API name, a description of the process, and the action trigger indicating when the process will begin. Click on the Save button. On the process builder page, click on the Add Object button. Under Object, type the object that will be modified, for example, contact or lead. Then click on the Save button. Click on the Add Criteria button. You can define the criteria as per your need, whenever a new lead is created or whenever record field level capturing consent is getting updated. Here we have set up criteria as whenever record level field capturing consent is getting updated. Click on the Add Action button. Select Apex class SMS-Magic interact_consent service. Then we will fill in these details. Compliance status. You can put the compliance status values as a string, the consent status that shall be recorded, like opt-in, opt-out, or pending. Phone number. Select the mobile number that is selected as the consent parameter for creating the consent record. Record ID. Object lookup. You need to add an object-specific reference to the record ID field. Sender ID. Select the sender ID that will be used to create the consent record. This field is important only if you select sender ID as one of the parameters for creating the consent record. You may skip this field if it has not been defined as a parameter in your compliance regulations. In such a scenario, consent record will be created irrespective of the sender ID the request is received from. Channel code. Pass channel code for which consent is to be created. If the channel code is not sent, the system will by default consider it an SMS. Channel code for SMS is 1, for Facebook it's 2, and WhatsApp is 3. Send confirmation. Select this value as true if you wish to send a confirmation message. Select this value as false if you do not wish to send a confirmation message. Content name. Select the content type for which the consent record is being created. You may skip this field if content type is not selected as a parameter to collect consent requests in your compliance configurations. Comment message. Add a text on how the consent was obtained. Once you're done filling in the fields, click on the Save button. Then click on Activate. You will see that your process is now active. Based upon this configuration, whenever a record level field capturing consent is getting updated, the system will automatically create or update the consent record in the consents object. And opt-in, opt-out, double opt-in confirmation message will be sent based upon configurations that you have created in Step 3, double opt-in settings. That's how you create consent automatically. That's all for now. Thank you.